Did you know that 8% of CO2 emissions come from cement production? It's quite an amount, ranking it among the polluting industries. Why does something basic as cement contribute so much to carbon emissions? Let's take a look at the process and uncover its impacts. Hello there. Cement is around us, in our buildings and roads shaping the world's infrastructure. While it plays a role, the process of making cement involves steps and poses significant environmental challenges. Today, let's delve into how cement's manufactured and the associated issues. It all begins with raw materials. Cement production kicks off with extracting limestone and clay from quarries. Ingredients for making cement. However, mining these materials can have effects causing destruction and environmental harm. Once these raw materials are mined, they are transported to a cement plant, where they undergo crushing and mixing to form raw meal. This mixture is then fed into a kiln, a rotating furnace that heats it to temperatures above 1400 degrees Celsius. In the kiln, various chemical processes occur that change the material into clinker, which is the main ingredient of cement. The clinker is later crushed into a powder, along with a dash of gypsum to regulate its setting time. This marks the end result, cement, all set for packing and delivery. The process, however, does have its drawbacks on the environment. The high temperatures needed in the kiln consume an amount of energy often derived from fuels, resulting in notable CO2 emissions. Furthermore, the extraction and processing of materials contribute to pollution and resource depletion. It is noteworthy that efforts are being made within the industry to tackle these issues. Certain companies are leading the way in adopting eco-practices, such as utilizing fuels like biomass or waste materials to lessen dependence on fossil fuels. Cutting-edge solutions like carbon capture technology are also being explored to trap and store CO2 emissions before they are released into the air. In conclusion, cement production is an impactful process. Every stage from raw material extraction to product creation carries ecological implications. Nevertheless, progress in technologies and methods provides promise for a future. What are your thoughts on the effects of cement production? Are you enthusiastic about the initiatives emerging in the field? Feel free to share your opinions. If you're keen on discovering about how various industries are moving towards sustainability, be sure to watch our upcoming video on eco-friendly construction practices. Remember to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell for updates.